What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Today I have a 2020 Ford F-150 XLT that we just got done lifting and added some new wheels and tires to. So if you guys are looking to find some new wheels and tires for your truck or figure out what lift to go with, you should definitely take a look at what we did to this one. So first off, I'm gonna start with the lift kit that we added, which is gonna be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit with the lifted strut package. So when you get a lift kit from rough country, you have your three options. You have your lifted strut spacer, your lifted strut, and then you also have your adjustable coilovers with the Vertex shocks. So with your three options, we went with the lifted struts because this one does have a little bit of miles on it. So we went ahead and replaced the factory struts and get some of that ride quality back. So if you have a new vehicle that doesn't, your struts aren't worn, you can go ahead and add the strut spacer. Or if you want the best ride quality you could get, you can go with the adjustable coilovers with the Vertex shocks to get you the nice ride quality. So with this wheel and tire package, we do have to do a little bit of trimming on here with the plastic piece right down here below the bumper. At full turn, you're not gonna get any rubbing anymore with just that little bit of trimming. This tire is a 35/12 for the R22 Fury Country Hunter. Now this one is the RT, which is gonna be a kind of a mix between a mud terrain tire and the all-terrain tire. We consider this kind of like a hybrid tire. So this one's gonna give you the aggressiveness of a mud terrain, but it's also gonna have the capabilities or more or less of an all-terrain tire. You're gonna get some more put together middle tread, which is gonna cut down the noise reduction of the tire, but also give you the aggressive look and a little bit of off-road capabilities with the outside tread, as well as the aggressiveness of the side knobs as well. So you do have a couple different options. If you want to go with this, you can go with Nitto Verge grapplers, or also as well with the Toyota Open Countries. They all have different hybrid tires as well that you can choose from. Down here we have a 22/12 Fuel Vapor and the DDT finish. Now this is one of the really cool finishes that Fuel has to offer that kind of separates them from a lot of different wheel brands. This one's gonna be a very cool look depending on the lighting that you're in. Right now we're in some pretty white balanced light, so this one kind of gives it more of a shiny, cooler color. If you take this outside in the sun, it's gonna kind of reflect that warmness of the sun and bring a little bit of a bronze-ish effect to it. So this is a really cool look. And also with this one that you're gonna have, this one's gonna be that 22/12, which is gonna give it a -44 offset and push that center of the wheel in, giving it a nice concave look, pushing the center of the wheel in, and also giving it a nice stance by pushing the wheel and tire package out 4 to 5 inches. Another thing I'd like to add is that this one does come in a matte black finish as well. So those are your two finishes for this wheel, and they both come in a lot of different sizes. This one comes in a 17/9 all the way up to a 22/12 like this one, and the black one also comes in a 15/8 or so, all the way up to a 22/12 again. So you do have a lot of options if you really do like this wheel, even if you don't want to go with this size or this finish. Overall, this is a really good looking truck with what we have on it. I love how this wheel really sets off with the color of the vehicle. That's something you should definitely keep in mind when you are picking out wheels for your vehicle. If you guys are looking to get your truck lifted, we can do that right here at Krietz Customs. And also, we offer 0% financing for up to 12 months. So if you guys are looking to get your truck lifted, that is something that you can also apply to that as well. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you check out all the information down below.